Alright, so here's the black collared puppy. I figure he's going to mature around 30 pounds. I just woke him up, so he says, I don't know. He said, I'm going to be 30 pounds. He said, I'm not going to shed. I'm a nice coat, black collar. One of the bigger puppies in Keeper's litter. Let's see. Let's see what we can get him to do for me here. I'm going to sit down over here with him. Let's see if we can get him to play a little bit here. Some few toys out here. Here we go. What have we got? What's this? He'll probably run away and pee now because he's been sleeping. Probably go and pee, eh? Is that what you're going to try and do is pee? Eh? Are you going to try and pee for me? Hey, what have we got? What's this? What's this? What's this? Hey, what is that? Is that a toy? Is that a toy? Is that a toy? What's this? Hey, what is that? Hey? Is that a toy? Is that a toy? Oh, you got a toy. These puppies they're about 3-4 days younger than Tinker's litter. So they are a little bit younger. The other puppies in the back there are pissed off. What's this? Tinker? What's this? Hey, what's this? What's this? Go get it. What is it? What is that? Go get it. Go get it. Good puppy. Oh, good boy. Oh, what a good boy. Gonna bring it back and show me what a pleaser you are? He says, well, maybe. What's this? My shoe. I don't want you chewing that, please and thank you. We don't encourage shoe chewers here. We don't encourage shoe chewers. What's that? What a good boy. Oh, it's a puppy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. And lovely little white feet. Little white spot on his head. Cutie, 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 patootie, patootie. Cutie, cutie, patootie, patootie. The other puppies want their turn. Oh, you're going to chew my sleeve now. Good boy. Good boy. What a good boy. What a good boy. See over there. What are you chewing on the blankets for? Come on over here. Come on over here. No, leave that alone. That's all. Leave it. Come on. What's this? Hey, what is that? Oh, what is that? Hey, what's this? Hey, what's this? Oh, what's this? This is going to be like those paper bags. Hey, like those paper bags. Go get them. Go get that paper bag. Good boy. Good boy. What a good boy. What a good boy. That's a paper bag. Makes a nice noise. It's Mr. Critter. Hey. Come on. Come here. Move the dirty laundry before you bring puppies in here. Oh, it's a good boy. That's a puppy. What a good puppy. That's a good boy. What a good boy. So this what we call black collar. Oh, he's a busy boy. Yes, he's busy. He says, oh, I want to go get that laundry over there. Looks like it would be something good to chew on, eh? Eh? Here he is. He's a nice little puppy. Oh, he's a nice little boy. He says, I'm not fussy for being on my back, but he says, don't drop me, whatever you do. Don't drop me, whatever you do. Look at that face. Look at that face, eh? Oh, it's a good face. That's a nice face. Good boy.